Welcome back to the Mega Machines HD channel, the place where giant machines appear, where the machines we use every day for work and productivity come to life. In front of us is the John Deere S770 combine harvester, manufactured in 2020. Engine power, 335 kilowatts. Dimensions, length 9.1 meters, width 3.45 meters, height 4 meters. Grain tank capacity, 10,600 liters. Cutting width, 6.7 meters. Rotor diameter, 762 millimeters. This is a multifunctional agricultural machine that performs several tasks in a single harvesting operation. It integrates the processes of reaping, threshing, and winnowing, significantly increasing harvesting efficiency. This allows farmers to harvest crops such as wheat, rice, oats, and soybeans much faster and with far less manual labor. In this video, we're visiting a dairy farm near Wiggins, Colorado, during the final harvest of their triticale crop. The operation begins with two John Deere W235R windrowers equipped with Deere R500 rotary headers. One of the units is fitted with a merger attachment to consolidate multiple windrows for more efficient chopping. Once the crop is mowed and merged, two Krone Big X self-propelled forage harvesters, an 1180 and a 1100, take over. These machines chop the triticale and blow it into waiting trucks, which transport the forage back to the dairy. At the silage pit, two John Deere 9520 tractors equipped with Degelman blades are hard at work, spreading and packing the chopped triticale to build a well-compacted silage pile. This process ensures high-quality feed for the dairy herd throughout the year. We're out here in 2025 at ETA Rogue in France, where this 7.20-meter MacDon self-propelled windrower is hard at work in the rye fields. Today, you're getting a close-up look at how this machine handles dense, mature rye with precision and efficiency. With its wide cutting width and smooth operation, the MacDon proves once again why it's a go-to choice for large-scale forage operations. Stick around and enjoy the sights and sounds of modern harvesting in action, straight from the heart of French agriculture. We're out in the field today with a brand new Holland T5.100 Electro Command, taking on the essential task of mowing wheat intended for cattle feed. This compact yet powerful tractor is perfectly suited for precision fieldwork, and in this operation, it's teamed up with a Pottinger NovaCat 307T, a trailed mower conditioner featuring RC roller conditioners and a 3-meter cutting width. The setup is highly efficient, allowing for a clean and consistent cut while ensuring the crop is conditioned and ready for silage or further processing. The footage was filmed at Azienda Agricola Marchini, a working farm in the heart of Italy known for its commitment to quality forage production and modern agricultural practices. A big thank you goes out to Michael for his warm welcome, patience. We're kicking it off in the field with the Fratelli Salighetto team and their powerful new Holland CR 8.80 Revelation, a twin-rotor combine built for performance and precision. To transport the header, they're using a Nardi N70/30 full brake trolley, equipped with ALKO inertial brakes on both axles. This header trailer supports headers from 25 to 30 feet in length, carries up to 4,350 kilograms, and is EU approved for road use up to 40 kilometers per hour. With 4 steering wheels, it offers excellent maneuverability both on the road and during loading/unloading operations. The universal design ensures compatibility with headers from all major brands. Now let's take a closer look at the heart of this operation, the CR 8.80 Revelation. Wrench technical highlights. Engine, 11-liter FPT Cursor 11. Power output, 449 horsepower. Threshing system, twin rotor, New Holland's exclusive design for gentle, efficient threshing and separation with minimal grain loss. Rotor size, 17 inches. Grain tank, 12,500 liters. Unloading speed, up to 125 liters/second. Unlike the heavy-duty machines commonly seen in Western agriculture, farming in Southeast Asia, and particularly in Vietnam, often relies on more compact and versatile solutions. What you're seeing now is a familiar sight during the harvest season across the rice-rich deltas of northern and southern Vietnam. Farmers are bagging rice directly at the rear of the harvester, right in the middle of the paddy field. The machine in use is the Kubota DC-70, a well-known combine harvester manufactured by Kubota Japan. Tractor model, Kubota DC-70, combine harvester. Wrench function, cuts, threshes, and bags rice on site. Tracks, rubber crawler tracks, ideal for soft, muddy fields. Sheaf of rice harvesting efficiency, around 0.4 to 0.6 hectares per hour, depending on field conditions. What makes the DC-70 so well suited for Vietnam's terrain is its ability to operate smoothly on wet, muddy ground. Which machine do you like better? As for me, I like them all. They all help us serve our work and make money. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the latest videos.